Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the 6-shooter in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the middle, and we're going to draw in the cylinder part first. So we're just going to draw in. This is going to be almost a square but slightly longer, so it's going to be a rectangle. Okay, and then once you have that, on the one of the side here, just kind of curve it. Draw like a nice curve. Now on the inside, we're gonna draw in the actual cylinder where the bullets are gonna be. So we're just gonna draw in just another rectangle right inside. Oh, I couldn't even draw a straight line there. So just leave a little bit of spacing. Okay, and then for details, I'm going to draw in one line down. And then for some details here, right in the middle, just draw one little line. And then from this corner here, I'm just going to slant it out all the way to the outside. Then two more here, so this one we're only going to see half. So just draw a shorter line and then just angle it all the way out. Same thing here on the bottom, one more line and just go all the way out. Okay, so now let's draw around it. So we're gonna come up from the side here, just come up, you make a little point. And then I'm gonna draw almost a rectangle around the cylinder. And I'm really sorry about my voice, you can see I'm still kind of recovering. Okay, so come around and then on this side here, just slant down. And then continue down, and then we'll just close that off with a horizontal line. And now we're gonna keep going down and drawing the trigger, and this part's a little bit tricky. So let's just come down on each side. And on back here, I'm just come in slightly. And then on this side, I'm just gonna stop a little bit early. Okay, now I'm gonna draw the trigger guard, so I'm gonna come down and just this part right here, just give it a nice curve all the way around. Okay, so now let's work on the inside. So on the inside is a little bit tricky. On this part here, we're gonna draw one little curve like this, and on this side, I'm just gonna come in with a straight line. And then from here, I'm just gonna dip this one down. So dip it down, and so it's gonna be really thin on the bottom. Okay, and then once you have that, come back up here, draw one big curve connecting these two. Okay, so it's kind of an odd shape. And then for the trigger itself, it's easy. We're just gonna curve down and then just draw another curve. Alright, so now let's draw in the grip. So for the grip, just come on the corner here. Just gonna curve down. Pretty far down, almost like the same distance as from here to here. So we're going down. And then we're gonna draw out, just kind of slight slant. And then over here, we're gonna come down slightly. Just come out. And then we'll just draw one curve. So just kind of try to follow this curve here. Okay, and then on the top here, I'm gonna draw one more curve just to connect those two. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the details. So right here on the inside of the grip, I'm just gonna draw another line, same curve, and just close that off. And then there's gonna be some detail here, one circle here, and then one more down here. And then there's also gonna be one more here. Okay, so those are the hardest part, and now let's draw in the hammer. So hammer is really easy, so just come down slightly. Down, and then just kind of hook it up as high as this point here. And then we'll come out, just give it some thickness. Just come down, And then let's just slant it all the way in. So now for the extremely long barrel on this gun. So just on the top, just come down slightly and we just kind of go all the way out. So you can use a ruler for this. Okay, and then we're gonna come down here. So from this point here, if you look at it, it's like halfway is around here. I'm gonna go up slightly from halfway. That's gonna be the main barrel. Just close that off. And then I'm just gonna add one section, so just slant in and then close it off. Okay, and down the bottom, one more. So this one's almost the same size, it's slightly smaller. Close it off, and then same thing here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of detail. And then let's see, one more here. There's a screw here. Okay, and then for the side, it's really easy. We could just come in and draw a line first on the top. Back slant down, and then for this one, just a slight angle. And that is it for the 6-shooter pistol in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and really sorry about my voice. Hopefully my voice will be back to normal on the next video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.